Hello everyone, Dajan here from Unstoppable. Well, today I will take you once again into my workshop and we will do some woodworking. Uh, Actually, we will do some improvising on a really basic level because my point here is to how to use some scratch wood and put it into a useful product. Actually, I need a stand for my camera with which I'm shooting videos, and few years ago I bought a camera stand which I'm using for my DSLR camera. I'm having a basic Canon because I'm in love with photography, so I needed a stand and I bought this one. And today we will put together a product which will go onto this stand, and it will carry my camera because I'm using a DJI Pocket Osmo to shoot videos, and unfortunately it's really hard one with a stand, so I need to improvise. And today I will take you through the process how I manage to put together a stand which will carry my DJI camera, where first of all I have to pick some scratch wood, do some measuring and cut it. So I came to pieces which will fit together as I want them. And then when I had everything set, I screw them. I choose screwing this time because if something don't fit as I want, it's easier to change pieces. It's much easier if they are screwed together than if they were glued. While I'm screwing pieces together, I will use a moment and tell you about weather this April, because we have really stereotypical weather here in area where I live. April looks like that in one moment we have sun and on the other there is rain, and because temperature were whole April pretty low and it was windy a lot, I catch up with some cold. But right now I'm getting better and I'm really happy about it, because in the last couple of years I was ill several times. I catch up some flu and couple of colds, and I'm really not used of it because it's strange to me to go to be ill as much as I was in those couple of years. So I was a bit worried about my immune system, but with this last cold I think that my immune system is building up, because I had a higher body temperature for a day, and then another day I was much better, and this is what I'm used of when I'm catching cold. So I think I will be better soon, and I'm really happy about it. And now if we go back to today's project, when I had all pieces together, it was time to put it onto this stand, and probably we are now at the core of today's video, because I will introduce you a threading rod. I think it's a really great supplement for engineering, and I use piece of it, so I will be able to mount this product, which will carry my camera, that it will go onto a stand that I already have. Actually, the threading rod is a rod which is available in a store with metal or building materials, and it sells on a certain length, and we could cut it onto pieces which are suitable for our needs. While I'm cutting it to the length that I needed, I will use this moment to thank you all for all of your support to this channel. Really, it means a lot to me that so many people are subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it, and I'm taking this as support to my channel. And sometimes I'm really moved that so many people already subscribe to my channel, and on the other hand, I am full of hope that many others will join. So I'm using this opportunity to invite you that if you are not, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any thoughts, observations that comes along through your mind during this video, please share this in the comment section below. And if you have any question for me or about the product that I'm putting together, please don't hesitate, just ask down below, and I will do my best to answer all the questions and to give you feedback. And once again, thank you for all of your support. And now if I continue with today's topic, when I had all pieces put together into a suitable product for my needs, and the threading rod is ready, I took washers and nuts, so I was able to fix these things onto a stand, and it will carry my camera like this. This is how the end product looks, and it does its job, because I left all the features that my stand has, so the camera can move up, down, and all around, and it is fixed on a stand, and I'm able to use a microphone as well. Because of that, I needed to leave this space down here, and I'm really satisfied with this product. Actually, I'm satisfied the most because I was able to manage it out with scrap wood and with really basic tools and equipment. So it means a lot to me, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And for now, I'm sending you farewell, and we see soon.